Hi students, welcome to the channel. VTU has published the timetable for the dates of Viva's examinations, practical examinations and theory examinations for final year students. So this video is about the details of that. So first is the Viva's examinations for final semester UG and PG programs will be held from 17th August 2020 to 21st August 2020. The next is practical examinations for students with backlogs of all semester UG and PG programs. Okay, practical exams for backlog students of all semester UG and PG programs will be conducted from 17th August 2020 to 21st August 2020. And then another important point to notice, no practical examinations for current regular students of 2nd, 4th, 6th SEM, B Plan, BE, BTech, 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th SEM BArch, 2nd SEM MBA, MTech, MArch, 2nd, 4th SEM MCA, MTech practical examinations will not be conducted. Okay. Theory examinations for students of final semester and students with backlogs of all semesters of UG and PG programs will be conducted from 24th August 2020 to 23rd September 2020. In fact, they have also published the draft theory timetable today. This draft timetable will be sent to colleges for suggestions. After incorporating the suggestions, the real timetable will be published after July 31st. Okay, so again here, no theory examinations will be conducted for current regular semester students of 2nd SEM, 4th SEM, 6th SEM, BE, BTech, B Plan, and for BArch 2nd, 4th, 6th and 8th SEM, and for MBA, MTech, MArch 2nd SEM, and for MCA, MTech 2nd SEM and 4th SEM part-time, because as you all know, intermediate semester exams have been cancelled. So next is, they have published a draft timetable, right? So this timetable is for the final year students of regular subjects as well as the arrear subjects of all the students of all schemes. Okay, many of you have been asking about backlog exams. So they have told about it here. So draft timetable will be published and final timetable will be released for final year students, for regular students also, as well as for arrear subjects of all students of all schemes. Okay, and the timetables for BArch, B Plan and MArch will be announced later. So this draft timetable has been released for inspection by the colleges for any overlap of examinations, and in case of there may be some students who are shifted from one scheme to another. So in that case, their exam should not overlap. So that so this draft timetable has been released for correction, and once after incorporating, so their comments will be received until July 31st, and then it will be reviewed, and then the final timetable will be released after July 31st. So the draft timetable for final year BE examinations can be seen here. You can see that for 2010 scheme and for 2014 scheme, 7th semester exams will be conducted from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. from August 24th to August 31st. And for 8th semester of the same schemes, it will be conducted from 2 to 5 p.m. Similarly, for 2015 scheme, 7th semester students, it will be conducted in the morning session from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. from August 24th to August 29th. And for 8th semester, it will be conducted from 2 to 5 p.m. from August 24th to August 26th. Similarly, this is the draft layout timetable for arrear subjects of BE examinations. So you can see here that as stated before, it starts from August 24th and it will be ending on September 23rd, Wednesday. So this is the draft layout timetable for arrear subjects of MTech examinations. For MTech 2014 scheme, the examinations will start from August 25th and it will go until September 4th. For MTech 2016 CBCS scheme, it will start from August 25th and it goes on till September 4th. For MTech 2017 scheme also, it starts from August 25th to September 4th. And for MTech 2018 scheme also, it will start from August 24th to September 4th. So that's all about the contents of this video. If you found the contents useful, do like the video, comment your suggestions, and if you have any doubts, comment below this video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such updates. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.